Hello YouTube, this is Automotive with Adam Levine. You'll be resetting the all maintenance light on 2020 GMC Terrain. Okay, you want to start the car. You're going to be using these buttons right here to your right. Alright, you see how I got the dismiss? You press the check. Press the check. Alright, you see you're on tire pressure. Scroll up or down to go through the menu till you get to all life. See, the all life is already at 100%, but what would you do when you get to this screen? You just hold the check button down and it'll reset it to 100%. Alright, subscribe to the page, Automotive with Adam Levine. Thank you.